Hello friends and assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel New IB All Designing Developer. Like in the previous videos we have covered up many of the things using Python in artificial intelligence, and in the previous video also I've telling you that how you can just build an amazing student management system using Python in artificial intelligence, or you can say school management system. But today in this video I will be telling you that how you can work with DSA. Like you all know that we have covered up 2 to 3 videos using DSA, and I hope you understand and enjoy that all things. So today is our fourth part of DSA, and in this video I will be telling you like how you can work with DSA in Python. Moving forward I will be also telling you that all explanation of DSA on text editor of Python, and in this video also I'll be telling you the explanation about DSA on a text editor, because in the previous video I've telling you all the explanation on the notepad, but I think that that is not really understandable for you. So I will be now using a text editor in which I will be telling you that by using this DSA logic how you can just run your code. So that will be easy for us when we are working on text editor, and it will be easy for us to run our code as well. So I'll be giving you all the introduction, and I will be also telling you what text editor we will be using to just give explanation to you about DSA, and I hope you'll be understanding this video. So if you understand, enjoy this, so hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn. And remember to see my all the previous videos which I have uploaded, because that will giving you help. I've built projects using Python, artificial intelligence, machine learning, data sciences. I've just built projects like credit card fraud detection, and then self-driving car, and many of the other, because that will giving you help if you want to learn how to build that projects. And remember to check out my all the like big videos which I have uploaded and all these projects of Python artificial intelligence, because that will giving you help moving forward. But now we'll be starting with our today's video and seeing that how we can work with DSA and what DSA will be using in this video from start to end in Python. So just like I'm telling you, in this video I will be telling you about Python in DSA, and I will be telling you that what we are learning today. So today we'll be learning about expression in Python in DSA, and I will be telling you that how you can work with expression in Python using DSA. So for working with this video I will be working with now text editor, because previously on when we were working with notepad, so I'm just telling you and explaining you, but you can just not see the codes which are running. So I think that now we should work on any text editor. So today we'll be working on VS Code, and through VS Code we will be learning about many of the things on Python, because we will be running it through our command prompt as well. Means when I'll be writing one expression, then I'll be showing you by running command prompt. Then if I write one, and then again I'll be showing you by running on command prompt. So I will be opening my VS Code, and then I will be making one file here, and I will be saving it with the random name on the desktop. So I will be now creating new file. I will be giving it the name as main. Now I will be just writing .py, because we are saving as Python format. So in the end you have to write .py. You can just give any of the name here, but .py in the end you have to just write, because it is really important here. Then you can just save it on any location. I will be saving it on desktop, so it will be easy for us to define. Press create file to save your file here. Now you have just saved your file. So here now we'll be starting our main Python code. We'll be not starting from the advanced level code. We'll be starting from beginning level. So today I'll be telling you beginning DSA expression which you need, or which a beginner need to learn. So first of all we'll be starting from print. So in JavaScript we get console.log to print anything, but in Python when we are working, so we get a print tag here. So I will be now just writing here print. So for printing anything I will be writing here this is a print tag, or you can see mine here I will be writing my you can say here I will be writing this is a print tag like this. Now if I write this and if I want to run this, so for running I will be moving to my CMD. After moving, our file was on desktop and our file name was main.py. Press enter. You can see now it is only showing me this tag which is called this is a print tag, because I said to my terminal, I've just commanded to my terminal like using this print tag I want this tag to be printed. So using DSA this tag has been printed, because we have just written it in the print tag, and print is the function to just run any of the tag. So here I will be moving down, and if I just write here let is equals to, then I will be writing this value. Like in JavaScript when we are working, so we write bracket, but in Python we don't write bracket, we just directly write colon, and then we write the text which we want to define. So I will be just now writing here like this is Python. Then I will be now, if I want to define this let, so I'll be making a print tag and I will be writing here let. Save it here. Then if I now run it again, my file main.py, so you can see, okay, my file name was incorrect here as well. Now press enter. You can see it is showing me this is a print tag and this is Python, because this let tag which I have written here, it is defining here, and in the place of this let tag, if I write var, and simply here as well, if I write var, like this, save it. Then if I just move here and then main.py, if I define here, so you can see now again it is defining me same tag. So variables can be defined in Python, but variables cannot be printed on JavaScript. Variables can be printed on Python, but it cannot be printed on JavaScript. So this is the main difference in DSA of JavaScript and in Python. So in Python DSA, you can work with variables, and variables can be printed in Python DSA, but in JavaScript DSA, variables cannot be printed on their page. So this is the main difference which we are getting in both DSAs here. So this is the Python DSA which I am telling you. So we are just now working with where you can work with variables as well. You can work with let tag as well, and you can use many other same tags here. Like if I use ABR, and then simply here if I write ABR, so you can use any of the tag here. It is not the you can say it is not compulsory to use the tag which are available. You can use any of the literal tag which you want to use here. So if I just run it by writing main.py, so still it will be showing me this is a Python, means that it is not giving me any error. So like this, you can just use this tag here. For using comment in Python, you have to just write this tag, and after writing this tag, you have to now just write this slash, and you can just write here, this is a comment. After writing this thing, just if you want to close this comment, so you have to write this tag, and then you can just see we have just written this, and after writing this tag here, you have to now just close it by writing this. So like this, you can just use here, and you can also write double colon here to write the comment like this. But I think that double colon will be not working for you, so you can use only this tag here to define the comment and to close the comment as well. So you can just use this thing. So this is the comment which I am telling you in Python. In Python, you can use comment like this. So these are the comments in Python, and you can also use slash here like this to just put your comments like this thing. And then when you've just written this, you can just write any comment here. So like this, you can just print any of the tag, and you can print here comment as well. So this was the thing which I want to show you. So these were the things which you can use using expression in Python. So this is the ABR tag which I've shown you, which is written, and like this you can also write fruits. If I write here fruits is equals to apple, then I will be writing comma mango, then I will be writing fruits name here, so I can just show you it can also be printed here. Then I will be now just writing here guava, right here orange, like this. Here you can write kiwi. So there are many of the fruits name which you can define, and if you want to print this fruit, so here I will be directly writing here fruit, save here. So it will be printing all the fruits name which I have written. So I will be now just directly writing here, like if I just write here main.py. So now when I've written this main.py, you can see it has printed all the fruits which I needed here. You can see in the bracket, apple I've written, it has been printed, mango has been printed, grapes has been printed, guava has been printed, and orange and kiwi has also been printed. So like this, you can just use these all things. So this was the thing which you can just use in Python, and I hope you understand that how you can just use this expression. There are many of the expression which you can use in Python using DSA. There are big expression as well, and there are small expressions as well. You can use big expressions, but we are starting for beginning, so I am telling you the small, you can say I'm telling you small fractions, or you can say small functions which you can use in Python. So like this you can just use. So I hope you understand this, how we can just use these functions in Python, and I hope you understand this video as well. So if you have understand, enjoy this video of Python of expression in DSA. So remember to hit a like, and if you are new on this channel, hit the subscribe button. After subscribing, hit notification bell as well, so more people can learn and they can take benefit of these amazing things. I'll be uploading more videos like that in future, and I hope you'll be understanding that as well. So just I'll be with you next project with more amazing things and more amazing tutorials. So for today, goodbye.